What blenders work best for pop-up matcha drink stands? High-speed commercial blenders with strong motors, durable jars, and quiet operation work best because they quickly make smooth matcha drinks while handling ice and busy service. For a pop-up stand, choose a commercial blender with at least 2 horsepower, a sturdy clear jar, and controls that let you use short blending pulses. A strong blender matters because ice, milk, sweeteners, and matcha powder must mix evenly without leaving gritty clumps. A tamper is useful because it helps move thick ingredients toward the blades while the blender is running, but never put a hand or utensil inside the jar. A quieter model is especially helpful when serving at markets, offices, or indoor events where loud equipment can bother customers. One detail many new sellers miss is that matcha does not always need long blending, because too much blending can create extra foam and warm the drink. For hot matcha, use a separate whisking method instead of blending very hot liquid, since steam can build pressure and force the lid off. Before buying, check that the blender can operate from the power supply available at your event, and test it with your exact recipe, ice, and cup size. Keep a backup plan, such as a battery-powered milk frother or a handheld whisk, in case the blender overheats or loses power during service. A common mistake is buying a household blender because it costs less, but its motor may overheat during repeated orders, so select equipment rated for commercial use. Another mistake is adding too much ice, which can make the drink watery as it melts, so measure the ice and liquid consistently for every cup. Some people also assume more matcha automatically means better flavor, but excessive powder tastes bitter and creates sediment, so sift the matcha and start with a measured amount. Finally, do not ignore cleaning between recipes, because milk residue can quickly cause unpleasant odors and safety problems, so rinse the jar immediately and sanitize it regularly. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.